Very good morning to all of you.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning.
Sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Tushar, keep the camera little adjust. Let me see your face. Okay. Okay. Oh, little more. Little more. Little more. Yes. Okay. 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 How are you? Fine. All are learning with the mind of +1 or 10th. Break the brain of 10th and assemble the brain of 11th. Clear now? Break the brain of 10th and assemble it for the purpose of 11th. So you may find some missing part. So you have to find and fit the proper parts. Clear now? And many of you have joined the entrance classes, Agash entrance classes. I think this week you will get the information from them, the date and time of the orientation classes. Orientation classes. Thereafter, schedule will be given to you. So as I sent you the message, there are 2-3 students or a few students are there who collected the application form, maybe because of quarantine, maybe because of different difficulties, might not have submitted the forms. So those who did not submit the form, please submit before Wednesday. Before Wednesday, so that you will be able to enter the classes. You see, entrance classes, if you miss in the beginning, you cannot adjust with that. So those who are intending may join the classes. Suppose if you have any physical difficulty to reach the place, it is better you may contact chairman and you can do the things, the necessary things. We will arrange it for you. So everything is done for you so that you may take maximum uh, facilities from this maximum utilization. So kindly note this. Okay. And in the last class, we were talking about your academic career. Am I right? We were discussing with your Devika Girish. We were discussing about your academic career here in the class. Am I right? We didn't discuss? Tushar? Didn't we discuss?
No, sir.
No. Malavika? Prabil? Didn't we
Yes,
discuss?
sir.
Eh?
About Einstein and yes,
About?
Einstein.
We were
The
discussing
class.
about Einstein. And who are you?
We are Einstein.
Devika, who are you? I called you Einsteins. Be in the class. Eva, who are you?
Einstein.
Einstein. So in the last class, we were discussing about you. There in the textbook, Einstein was talking about his academic career. Chabri, understood? So, if Einstein is a role model to you, if Einstein is one of the greatest scientists of the century, about whom you are learning with curiosity, eagerness, you are the Einstein. So his academic career we were discussing through the lesson. That means we were analyzing your academic career. The last class I told you, break the brain. Didn't I tell? Break the brain. Today, what did I say? G. Joseph, today what did I say? I no need of messages. Open it and say. Today, what did I say? Aditya Dev, today what did I say?
11th standard.
Eh?
11th week.
No. Meherin, what did I say today? Dia. Yes. Meherin,
Yes, sir.
Alan Jofi, today what did I say? You all are very smart in video clips. Eh? All are very smart in video clips. Like Hema Malini, Latha Mangeshkar. Eh? Yes. Very great heroines and heroes. Anila, what did I say? Anila will say now. What did I say today? Yesterday I told to break. Today what did I say? Mr. Engineer Niranjan. Don't sit in my class in this way. Today I told assemble. Eh? I told you to break your 10th brain and assemble it for the purpose of +1. Did I say? You thought that Joshi sir has come here and told some introduction, some this and that, and he waves it out, isn't it? Simply. This is not simply saying. If I say something, it will have some meaning. Those who have ears, they may hear it. Malavika, those who have ears, they may hear it. Marile. Okay. Yes, okay. So in the last class, we were discussing about, or we were making an examination of conscience. We were making a retreat. We were making a retreat. Oh, some are thinking that we have gone for 7 days meditation for meditation in the retreat house. Yes, retreat. You are making a retreat towards your class 10. Once you understand how did you perform there, then only you will be able to make changes and you can improve this year. So in this matter, Tushar, let us take Albert Einstein as a sample. Okay, don't take fully. Make him a sample there. From him, whichever is good, we can take it. Clear now? Okay. You see, he only wished his father would take him away, but there was no point in asking. He knew what the answer would be. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. I think we stopped there. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So, on that day, Einstein was punished for 1 hour extra time standing at the back of the class. That is not a problem for him. He had already stood many more hours there. That is why the teacher said, even though I punish you, there is no use. There is no use. In the lower classes, how many times you might have written impositions. And at last, the teacher might have told about you, no use. So today onwards, I will not give you any imposition. Because after writing that, paper becomes a waste. There was no improvement. In the same way, the history teacher told Albert Einstein, today, anyway, I am giving, in order to satisfy my mind, I punish you for 1 hour extra time. So you stand there 2 hours or 3 hours, I know that there is no improvement. There is no benefit from that. And The history teacher suggested him to take TC and go away from the school. Clear now? Thinking these kind of thoughts from Sebastian, thinking all these, teacher told me to get TC and go. Number two, the teacher told, even if I give him 10 hours extra timing for standing there will be no use. So the teacher didn't have any expectation on my studies. That is a great insult to a student. Am I right? That's a great insult. A teacher does not have any appreciation about.
Sir, can't hear you. Sir, we can't hear you.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Can't hear you.
Sir, sir, sir. Actually, we cannot hear you.
Hello? Yes, okay. Clear?
Sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, because of his utter poverty, poor life, father had taken him from Berlin to Munich and provided him a personal accommodation so that let him study and get a diploma. To such a father, how can I tell that I do not want to study? So getting TC is not a practical thing, not a practical thing. Going back to his lodgings did not cheer him up. So he was not happy to go to his lodge. His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in one of the poorest quarters of Munich. I have already explained. He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort. You see, very good man, Albert Einstein. He knew that his father was a poor man, and because of his in the midst of his utter poverty, he is kept in a lodge. So Albert Einstein never complained about the food that he got from the lodge. or he did not complain about the poor lodging. He did not complain. There are some students, when you are accommodated, you are admitted into a hostel and you are not happy. In the beginning, what will you say? Mama, here sambar is not good, curries are not good, food is not proper, no AC, nothing. Complaints and complaints and complaints. At last, father and mother will come one day and they will say, my child, adjust 2 years, adjust 2 years. This is the same thing Albert Einstein's father says. And Albert Einstein understood the condition of his father. So he never complained about the petty petitions, little petitions about the food, accommodation, or anything. He tried to adjust with the situation. He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort, or even the dirt and squalor. Both are same, dirty place. Both the meanings are same. Dirt and squalor, but he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Underline. He hated the atmosphere of slum violence. He told he can adjust the dirty floor. He can adjust the dirty road. He can adjust the dirty house. He can adjust with the poor food that he got. But, Mama, I can't adjust the culture of those people. The people who live nearby are such a condition. They quarrel. They are violent people. They quarrel each other. So he was unable to adjust with the culture of the people. His landlady beat her children regularly. His house owner lady beat the children all the time. And every Saturday, every weekend, her husband came drunk. Her husband came drunk and beat her. Very good sequence, isn't it? Very continuous sequence, Monday to Saturday, Sunday. Monday to Sunday, chanda is kept there, isn't it? Trumpet is kept there. So Monday to Friday, mummy will beat the chanda, isn't it? Puram. Beating on the back of the children. So children also need some rest. Saturday, children's father will come. So children will be free. Father will take the stick and he will start beating the drum on Amma's back. Monday and Saturday and Sunday. Monday morning, Appa goes. Monday to Friday, Amma take the stick. So that means the whole house was full of such kind of disturbance. But at least you have a room of your own. Underline. At least you have a room of your own, which is more than I can say, said Yuri when he called round in the evening. So Yuri is another character, as a friend of Albert Einstein. Yuri. Do you remember anyone important, Yuri? Nehale? Do you remember any important personality in the history, Yuri? No. So why are you asking me, Ale? There are many people sitting here. Why are you asking me, Devika Krishna? Devi Krishna? Lakshmi is ready to say. Lakshmi is ready to say. Devi Krishna, are you giving the chance to Lakshmi? Oh, Devi Krishna says, I am very generous. Let she take the chance. Lakshmi, anyone can say, who is the famous personality in Malavika? Maybe he or
Yes,
she,
sir.
maybe.
Yuri Gagarin.
Yuri Gagarin. Who is Yuri Gagarin?
The first person to go into outer
The first
space.
person who entered the space. Entered the space. Yuri Gagarin. He is from which country?
Russia.
Russia. Yuri Gagarin. Okay. So here, that Yuri not, this Yuri different. So Albert's friend was Yuri. So Yuri came in the evening to visit Albert. And Albert presented all these complaints to him. Arey bhai, what kind of people it is? I can adjust with the food. I can adjust with this place. But this culture, I don't. So Yuri is advising him, my dear friend, don't worry. Don't worry. At least in this city, you have a room of your own. Do you know how many people are living 10 into one room? Sometimes you can see in certain centers, the people from North, UP, Bihar, those people are staying. Laborers are coming from there and they are staying here. Okay. And you see one house, small house, maybe one room, 10, 15 people will be inside. 10, 15 people will be inside. Here you have a single room with 100 feet square. One person is staying in your room. They are in the same room. If you give to them, 10 people will, 10, 15, 20 people will be accommodated. So Yuri says, my dear Albert, in this area, such a room is shared by 4 or 5 students. At least you should be happy that you have a single room for yourself. So to this, Albert says, hey, at least you live among civilized human beings, underline. At least you are living with civilized, cultured people. My dear Yuri, these people has no culture. Whom shall I talk? With whom shall I talk? This is your problem, isn't it? This is your problem. Mama says, keep the mobile down. Papa says, don't use the mobile unnecessarily. Teacher says, don't be an addict to the mobile. Clear now? Then you are asking, Mama, Papa, sir, what do you speak? Do you know what you speak? For last 1.5 year, we are sitting inside. What shall we do? Otherwise, send us out. And you won't do it. Clear now? You won't send us out. Corona, corona, corona. Don't go out. Sit inside. What shall we do 24 hours? Clear now? What will happen after using this mobile in such a longer time? You will learn a new culture. Psychology students will learn. You will learn a culture. What culture? A withdrawal symptom. Psychology students are here. You will study. Okay. Withdrawal symptom. What are you doing now? You got a mobile. Slowly, you went inside your room. You close the door. You are sitting inside. You are playing. You are gaming. Slowly, your social nature will be lost. Your social nature will be lost. You will be withdrawn to yourself. That is why we say, don't use much more. Unknowingly, our social nature will be lost. You will be turned to yourself only. You will lose the habit of talking to others. You will lose the civilization. You will lose the culture. That is what is happening. I remember casually, I remember now. A family came from Canada. A family came from Canada. Papa, mummy, 4 children, and their one auntie. They came to Kerala to visit their parents. They are living alone, old parents. In a large house, old parents are there. These 6 people came from Canada after 3 years. So, how much these parents will be waiting for them? They came from aerodrome. They kept their bag inside, and after a few minutes, what happened? All these 6 people went to the different corners of the house, steps, sofa, veranda, all these things, and they took their instruments. Then they were playing with the mobile. They came from Canada to Kerala to play the mobile. I saw a video like that. Maybe little exaggeration, but is it the nature? Is it the culture towards we are moving? Am I right? Is it a culture towards we are moving or not? That will create an introverted. Our civilization, culture will be lost. Social culture will be lost. Albert Einstein reminds you, Yuri, I am not worried about food and lodging. I am worried about my surroundings. I am worried about my social surroundings. At least you have some civilized people. That was a notion of Albert Einstein. To this, Yuri replies, they are not at all civilized man as you think. Did you not hear that one of them was killed last week in a duel? Duel, D-U-E-L. Duel means fight between two people. Fight between two people. D-U-E-L. So to this culture, Yuri says, Arey yaar, my dear friends, they are not cultured. They are not civilized. Did you read the newspaper yesterday? There was a fight between two people and one killed the other. People are like that there. You see, they are not at all civilized. Yuri replied, did you not hear that one of them was killed last week in a duel? And what happens to the one who killed him? And Albert asked, what happened to the murderer? Nothing. Nothing happened. He is even proud of it. After killing a person, he kept his collar high. He has done a very courageous act. You see, he is even proud of it. He only worry, his only worry is that the authorities have told him not to fight any more duels. That was the advice given to him. See, a man had killed another person and he was caught by the police. And police told him, okay, okay, no problem, no problem, but don't kill anymore. How is it? Because the police knew there is no meaning in punishing him. And the culture of that society was like that. This denotes there are many things which are not the same as we think. As we think. In Malayalam, there is a saying, Ikkara nikkumba akkara pacha. So here it says that Albert Einstein was thinking that Yuri's surrounding was a civilized surrounding. When Yuri explains their situation, that is worse than Albert's situation. You see, he is upset And that man, that murderer is upset about this because he hasn't a single scar on his face to wear for the rest of his life as a badge of honor. Underline. He hasn't a single scar. Underline, as a badge of honor. Military people have some ribbons on their pockets. And such kind of murderers have the ribbons on their faces, the scratches, the marks of scratches, the marks of beat, marks of cuts and wounds. And they would say, oh, this wound, when I killed that man gave me this wound. So this is the mark of honor. Still, I killed him. Still, I killed him. So here, the murderer was not happy because he did not get any punishment. The policeman told, don't repeat this, you may go home. Number two, after the duel, after the fight, he did not get any cuts or wounds on his body. So he could not show others about this one. That is why he was not happy. Who exclaimed Albert. And these are the students. So this is the type of students with whom we study. Well, you will be a student one day, said Yuri. You also will be a student one day. So the student is a process that you have to become. Understood? That sentence has a meaning. That sentence has a meaning. What is the meaning? You will become a student. It is a process. It is a process. You have to make yourself a student. Now you do not want to learn. Now he does not want to go to school. But you will one day desire to go to school. There you will become a student. See, I doubt it. I will not go. I don't think I will ever pass the exams for the school diploma. I don't have 1% surety that I will pass the exams. I will fail. He told his cousin Elsa the same thing next time when she came to Munich. So there is a third character, Elsa. Elsa was their cousin. So she is in Berlin, she is in Germany. Often she comes, often she comes. So when she came on the next visit, they told about this situation. I am sure you could learn enough to pass the exams, Albert, if you tried. He patiently advised, my dear Albert, if you try to learn, if you have a mind to learn, you will be able to pass the exams. Yuri told Albert is not all right. Albert is not going to school. Albert is not studying. So if he goes like this, he will not pass the exams. So Elsa called him and told, why are you this much worried? Why are you worried, this much worried? My dear Albert, you can pass the exams. You just sit and learn some time. A peaceful, a friendly advice to him. And she continued, I know lots of boys who are much more stupid than you are. So, you see, I know lots of boys stupid than you are, more stupid than you are, who get through the exams, who pass the exams. So, what did Adulya, what did Elsa called our Albert?
Stupid.
Stupid. You see, Elsa did not call my dear stupid. No, no, no. She told those fellows are more stupid. That means you are stupid. Clear now. This is English. This is English. Directly, she didn't say, yeah, you are a stupid boy. But she said, those people are more stupid and they can get through the exams. So indirectly, she says, my dear Albert, though you are my cousin, you are a stupid fellow. And if you try little bit, you can also pass. So Adulya, who are you? What are you now? What do you have become? Mhm. That she won't say. That she won't say. That she won't say. Clear now. This is the thing. She told Einstein is stupid. And in the morning you agreed that we are Einsteins. Then who are you now? See, okay. Negatives to Einstein, positive to us, isn't it? Ah, that is not good. So I know lots of boys who are much more stupid than you are. So you are a stupid boy who get through the examinations. They say you don't have to know anything. Those stupid fellows say, Gaya, those stupid fellows say, you don't want to study anything. You just go to the classroom and give attendance. Tick, tick, tick. You see? They say you don't have to know anything. There is no need of studying anything. No need of studying anything. You don't have to understand. A plus B is equal to B plus C. No need of understanding. You just by heart it. A plus B is equal to B plus C. Don't ask, sir, what is this? No need of asking here. Shabiri, no need of asking here. What you have to do? By heart it. By heart it. You see, Elsa was giving the advice to our Albert Einstein. You see, John Philippe, carefully hear this. You need not know anything. Don't go for the don't go for the physics problems. Einstein might have told like that. Don't go for that. What you have to do? Learn by heart. You don't have to understand what you are taught. So you need not ask any doubts then. Clear now. You need not ask any doubts to anybody else. Elsa says, you need not understand anything. You need not know anything. What you have to do? Just be able to repeat it in the exams. Underline. Just mug up and vomit. Just mug up and vomit. You have to do. Clear now? Just mug up and vomit by heart it. So Einstein says that is the whole problem. Main problem is that I cannot by heart. I am not good at learning things by heart. So if he cannot study by heart, we also cannot study by heart. So we will sit and learn and clear the doubts and we will study. Clear now? The rest we will see in the next class. Okay.